Breaking news coming in, the Prime Minister has inaugurated the Rashtra Prerna Sthal in Lucknow on Atal Bihari Vajpayee's 101st birth anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Lucknow today to mark the 101st birth anniversary of former Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee. During the visit, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the Rashtra Prerna Sthal, a national memorial dedicated to Vajpayee's life, ideals and leadership legacy. Conceived as a landmark national memorial, the Prerna Sthal has been developed to honor the contributions of Vajpayee and other eminent leaders who played a significant role in shaping India's political and democratic journey. The project aligns with Prime Minister Modi's vision of commemorating the legacy of great leaders of independent India, preserving their ideals for future generations. Built at an estimated cost of 230 crore rupees and spread over 65 acres, the complex is envisioned as a permanent national asset aimed at promoting leadership values, national service, cultural awareness and public inspiration. A key feature of the memorial is the 65 feet high bronze statues of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Pandit Dayal Upadhyay and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, symbolizing their enduring contributions to India's political thought, nation building and public life. Samarth Srivastava is joining me live on this story. Samarth, the Prime Minister is inaugurating the Rashtra Prerna Sthal in Lucknow. The visuals are on our screens right now. The towering memorial statues of the political leaders. What kind of messaging are we seeing here with this particular memorial park?
See, Anisha, idol politics is not new in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We have seen earlier also with Bahujan Samaj Party, with the idols of Kanshi Ram, Mayawati, herself, Samajwadi Party with Janeshwar Mishra, Lohia, the idols, and now it's BJP respecting the party's leaders, the leaders who have seen Jansangh converting to BJP, not just in the state of Uttar Pradesh but in the entire India, and how these leaders fought in the battle of independence, be it Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, three leaders who have been given much respect by the BJP. It's 65 feet tall bronze murti idol, as we see in the visuals clearly, which Prime Minister of India inaugurating. It's not just about that. Three other museums as well, which are dedicated to the lifestyle, to the life journey of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and Deen Dayal Upadhyay. If you talk about the political messaging, there are two things about it. Number one is the idol politics. They are respecting their top leaders in a way, a messaging what BJP has done for the nation, what the leaders who saw the political shift, the political change during the time of independence to this particular time, the party is respecting. The Prime Minister himself coming to inaugurate that particular Rashtra Prerna Sthal. Number two is the caste politics. We have seen how a Qawmi Neta, the Qawmi leader, Pankaj Chaudhary has been named the state chief of UP BJP. And now these three leaders whose idols have been erected right over there belongs to the Brahmin community. So BJP wants to make the outreach amongst its voter to the upper caste, especially Brahman voter, after the meeting of Brahman MLAs yesterday we see. So it goes on with the impact because UP elections is hardly a year is left for the UP elections. So it's going to be worth seeing how this makes up, because BJP is not just targeting the backward vote with the help of Kurmi voter, which they lost in the UP Lok Sabha elections in the hands of Samajwadi Party, but also eyeing the upper caste vote. And if you see the visuals out here, cameraman Sandeep will pan the camera. We are reporting from near the rally point. A lot of holdings of Prime Minister's image with Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, Vishal rally written on this particular hoardings all across the roads near the rally point, near the Rashtra Prerna Sthal. So the messaging is loud and clear by the BJP. As UP elections hardly a year left for the UP elections, it's idol politics number one, and number two, the caste politics to ensure their vote bank in the elections to come. Back to you.
Samarth, since you've been talking about caste politics, the idol politics, what are you picking up from the ground, from not just from the BJP's netas and karyakartas, but from the people? How are they looking at this Prerna Sthal that is being there? And as you mentioned, there is going to be a rally as well. What are we expecting today?
See, more than 2 lakh people have gathered here to witness Prime Minister's rally in Lucknow out here. See, it's not just about the caste politics, it is also a gift from Prime Minister of India to Lucknow. the Prerna Sthal, if you talk about the things which are in terms of tourism as well, there are three majestic museums belonging to the life history of these three leaders whose idols you are seeing in the visuals. Number one, it's a long park out inside that particular area, some air-conditioned rooms and many other facilities out there in that Vasant Kunj area, which was suffocating since years, as we saw how the waste was there, the piled up at that particular position, and then Lucknow Municipal Corporation started working there. Then LDA got this particular thing and started constructing this particular sthal. So it's also a gift for the Lucknow people as a part of tourism as well, that the Lucknow has got another gift, that they will be going there, entering the museum, especially for those who are students of history, and also they want to aspire to become some IAS or in government service. They must know about the history of India. So via this particular museum, they'll understand about the history of these three leaders at least. So that's what this museum will be seen as a gift to Lucknow.
About the
But if you
impact
talk about
on
the
environment,
politics,
you just
then yes,
mentioned, Samarth, you just mentioned that this was an area where there was a lot of waste. Can you tell us about what changes, as you said, this was something that was not very well managed, and now this sthal has been created. Are there trees, or is this all constructed? Because one major criticism of the idle politics, as you called it, has been that trees were cut to set up these sort of Prerna sthals.
Anisha, well, that's not the case here. The trees were not cut, but instead the waste was removed from here. It all started in 2016. Whenever you had gone to the Vasant Kunj area of Lucknow, there was a foul smell coming. Even if you are not reaching inside that particular area, even if you are riding towards that particular areas or the roads, the intersections points, that was the impact of that waste. That was the legacy waste which was stored there, and which even in a way dismantled that particular ground as per the LNC officials. And it took around 5 to 8 years for them to clear that particular waste and shift it to the Shivri plant, which is newly constructed plant, to ensure that the waste must be used completely. And then it was handed over to the LDA for the construction of Prerna Sthal. So here, at this point of time, no tree was destroyed here for the construction of this particular thing. Instead, the waste, the nearby people who were suffering diseases from this particular waste, have got a sigh of relief with the construction of this particular Prerna Sthal. Back to you.
Samarth, we're also getting some visuals coming in of the Prime Minister's at this Rashtra Prerna Sthal, the live visuals on your screen right now, viewers, of the Prime Minister at the rally that is being held at the Rashtra Prerna Sthal, the memorial honoring Atal Bihari Vajpayee.